A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to our computer class. Dear children, today we are going to move to part 5 of the chapter. That is the last part, and today we are just going to do a practical. We are having the lab time, okay? On page number 75, you can refer that page number. For that, in that, what we have to do, we have to open first of all a PowerPoint application. Open the presentation Keys to Success. You have to save the presentation with the name Keys to Success. Then insert a new slide by clicking on a new slide button. Type the contents as shown in the given figure. Now here on the right hand side, upper side, the content is given to us and we have to type as it is. Then select the word goals and change the font to Arial black, font size 50 and font color to red. Now here some changes have been given to us. We will try it one by one, okay? I will try 2 to 3 points with you. Rest all you will do it on your own and then you can send me the photo shot of it. Okay dear children? Come on, let's see. Now here, this is our PowerPoint application. In the file menu we will go on the open tab. Now we have to open a presentation. I have already saved the presentation with Keys to Success. Yes, we have to open that. See, this is the presentation name with Keys to Success. Okay, now this is the first slide which I have made for you all. This is the topic Keys to Success, and this is a lab time which this is my name here. Sorry, this is the made by my name. Okay, this is the first slide which you all have to make. Understood? The topic here, then made by, put some font colors, put some background in that of your choice. Okay dear children? Then first of all we have to insert a new slide by clicking on the new slide button. Here we are having the new slide button. Yes, we will just click it. Now we will select the slide with title and content because we have already we have done with the slide title slide. Okay, I have already made the title slide. Then we will make the title and content. Now here what you have to type, you have to type here goals. Okay, and we have to change the font to Arial black and the color will be red. The size will be 50. Yes, it was 50. Okay dear children, 48 or else you can write here 50 and then you can change like this. Is it clear to you? The heading is done. Now here we have to write, first here we have to add the bulletins. It is already added, bulleted list is already added. If you want to change the list, you can go on this option and you can create a list like this or like this. Okay, then you can start typing. To achieve happiness. Okay, in this way you will type and then you will do the lab time. Okay dear children, certain that we are never without an important goal. Okay, to achieve happiness we should make certain that we are never without an important goal. So this is our first goal. Okay, now here we have to make some changes to the in the paragraph. Okay, the next point you will write it and then you can make the changes. I will making changes in the first point only. Now what formatting I can do that in this, I can select it first of all. Okay, then from here I can change the color, say for yellow. Yes, then you can increase the size from here. It's 32, so we are keeping like 40, 44. Then you can here change the font. You want like Times New Roman, you can search it like here. Yes, Times New Roman. Yes, So the font here is Times New Roman, the size is 44 and the color here is yellow. Understood? In the same way you can also shape fill here. If you want in this text box the color to be filled here, you can do like this, green or dark green. Yes. Okay. Here also you can shape fill it. For suppose blue, this blue. Yes. See, in this way you can make your presentation very colorful. Yes, you can shape fill it and you can shape the text box as well. Is it clear to you, dear children? Now next point you will do it. Okay, you will write it on your own. Similarly, change the formatting effects of the paragraph. Then click the More button to display the animation effects and select the desired option from the drop down menu. Now this is the animations we are having. Okay. Now what we want appear, fade or fly in like this or float in. Yes. Okay. Understood? In this way you have to make the presentation. In the first slide also we will give an animation of shape. Yes, like this. Now you can run the slideshow from beginning. Yes, once you click it, by clicking it you can see the slideshow like this. Is it clear to you, dear children? This is how you have to practice it. Okay, what we have done, we have first made the title slide, we done some formatting effects from home tab. Okay, then we made the second slide with the title goals. Then we have written down a code. Okay, on goals, what we have to do to achieve happiness, we should make certain that we are never without an important goal. We should always make a certain goals in our life. Okay, then we did some formatting to this heading, to this code, and then the formatting background, animations and all. Is it clear to you, dear children? This is how you have to create a PowerPoint presentation. Once you are done with it, just send me the Photoshop of this screen. Okay, that's it. Just send me the Photoshop of this screen and I will be able to see that it will be clear to me that you have all done it very well and you are learning it. Okay, that how to create a PowerPoint presentation. If you are having any doubt to create a presentation, you can call me whenever you are doing your practicals. Okay, dear children, is it clear to you? We will meet next time with something more interesting in computer. Till then, bye-bye. God bless you all.